Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to do this cute little dessert together. So let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this. And then we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over once again to do one chain. So for our very first round, the pattern is 6 single crochet. We put our hook into the hole, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. And then we need to do 5 more single crochet for this round. Then after the 6 single crochet, we put this end to close the circle in the center. And then we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For the second round, we do 1 chain to start, and the pattern for this round is our single crochet increase. We put our hook into the very first stitch, and we also can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. For the single crochet increase means in the same stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to take a mark. So in the same stitch, we need to do 1 more single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops. For this round, we just repeat 1 stitch, 2 single crochet to the end. And then after our very last single crochet increase, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For the next 3 rounds, the pattern is the same, is our single crochet round. And then for each round, we do 1 chain to start. For the following 3 rounds, we do our single crochet round. We put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. And then we just repeat 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to the end. After the very last single crochet, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. This is our first round of our single crochet round. We need to do it 2 more times. Remember to do 1 chain to start, and then do a slip stitch at the end of this round. So after the very last single crochet, we put our hook into the very first stitch, and then yarn over here, pull our hook directly. In here, we leave about this long, and then we snip off. We fill it first, and then now we're going to close the circle. We put our needle into the only half of the stitch, like this, and then we skip the next one. We put our needle into the third one, only the half, and then we just repeat doing it. Skip one and put our needle in the center of the next one, and then we just pull this little end. In here, we put our needle into the center of this, and then we just go through it. So we need 2 more of this. You can use a different color, or you just fill all red color just like this one. After finishing 3 of them, we can use a hot glue and a stick to put them together. If you don't have this stick, we can crochet one. So first, we need to do a magic ring just like this. And then we put our hook in, yarn over once again to do 1 chain. In here, we put our hook into the hole, yarn over, then yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. And then for the first round, we need to do 3 more single crochet. And then after this, we pull this end to close the circle in the center. And then we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, then pull our hook directly. For the stick, we're gonna repeat 4 rounds of 4 single crochet in total. We already finished the first round. Gonna repeat it 3 more times. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and I will update weekly. So after the one last single crochet, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in. And then yarn over here. Pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do one chain and then we snip off. And then we just use a hot glue to glue them together. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye!